People will not be chasing him all over. Okay, Mark Zuckerberg. One name, Mark Zuckerberg. That is his full name. Okay, yes, he's a Mecca Zukenna. Okay, but you guys watched it. Okay, good. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, good. So as I was saying about the hashtags, yeah, I said do a little bit of research, find out where your audience hangs out, find out what they like, find out the kind of conversations they have. Cool, calm, collected. I'm telling you, man. He knew he was well schooled by his lawyers. Yes, bro. He was well schooled by his lawyers. His lawyers actually schooled him very, very well. He was well schooled by his lawyers. Okay. So, number one, as I was saying, okay? Number one is not number one, sorry. I've talked about keywords, understanding keywords, knowing your keywords and using those keywords for hashtag. I've talked about your audience, knowing the kind of conversations your audience has. Okay, knowing the platforms where your audience hang out and the kind of hashtags they use so that you can use the same. I've talked about research. Yeah, do a little bit of research. Okay, understand your brand a little bit more. Understand similar hashtags to what you should be using. I've told you how to do hashtag analysis, a little bit of it. That was how I started. Just go and watch the first video. On Facebook, just watch from the beginning. On Instagram, watch the first video, because it keeps breaking and breaking. So just watch the first video. I talked a little bit about hashtag analysis. And I did that a little bit again in the second video. So watch the second video. Okay? Now, you've done all of that. Sugar Backs. Okay, you are back. Great to have you, Sugar Backs. Okay, you are back. Now, back to our regular gist. Yeah? Good. See, on Instagram, you can use 30 hashtags. 30. Okay? Yet, some people do not use anyone. Terrible, 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 terrible. Use hashtags. Alright, guys? Forget all the grammar. Forget all the grammar. Thank you for joining us, Mo. Welcome back, Mo. Forget all the grammar. Use hashtags. Okay? Red Bubbles. Hello, ma. Welcome to the SWAT Show. Okay? Forget all the grammar, guys. Use hashtags. Use hashtags. You can use 30. All things gum. Welcome to the SWAT Show. You can use 30 hashtags. 30. Please do not waste your hashtags. Okay? You can use 30. Just use it. Use it. Okay? It doesn't cost you any money. Use the hashtag. I don't know why the people are angry. They will not use hashtag. Eh? They will not steal your puff puff. They will not steal your zobo. Use hashtag. Okay? Learn to use all these hashtags. Go and do a little bit of research, as I've said. Do the hashtag analysis and pick out all these hashtags. Use them. Okay? You have 30. Use all. Use all. I use all. I have 30 and I use all. I don't know why you guys don't use. I have 30 and I use all. How do I use it? Okay, good. I have what I call branded hashtags. Branded hashtags are hashtags that you should use with your brand. Let's say, for example, my name is Victor Anyanwu. Hashtag Victor Anyanwu. That is a branded hashtag. Okay. Now, my company is Vicade. Okay. Now, my company that is Vicade is hashtag Vicade. Okay. Branded hashtag. Are you getting that? Now, which other thing? Now, I am the Oracle. Okay. Now, I don't use the Oracle because the Oracle has a lot of, gist in it. So I decided to create a little one that I call the Oracle Says. Okay. The Oracle Says. Okay. Now, this crapped me up bad. I didn't watch. What crapped you up bad? What cracked you up? And I don't know what you didn't watch. Kindly let me know. Okay. So I used the Oracle Says, not the Oracle, because the Oracle has lots of gist already that I do not own. So I wanted to own it. So I used the Oracle Says. All right. Remember, the Oracle says different things. So the Oracle Says. Do you get it now? So hashtag the Oracle Says. Branded hashtags. Mine. So hashtag Victor Anyanwu. Me. Hashtag Vicade. My company. Hashtag the Oracle Says. Me. Welcome back, Beauty by Joya. Sorry, the network has just been crazy. I had to close it and come back on. So now you have 3 videos to watch. Okay? So let me quickly wrap this up. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Right? You must understand these things. So you must have branded hashtags. For example, Ife Oluwa Shokpeju, you should have a branded hashtag. Maybe Shokpeju, maybe Ife Oluwa, maybe Ife Oluwa Shokpeju as one word. Okay? Beauty by Joya, you can have your hashtag that way. Beauty by Joya. Okay? All things glam, you can have your hashtag that way. All things glam. Red Bubbles parties, I know you have a hashtag Red Bubbles. Red Bubbles. You can do your hashtag. That is personal hashtag. Do you get what I'm saying? Personal for you. All right? Branded for you. All right? You can do hashtag your name. Okay? Yes. It's your name. It's personal. It's for you. Do hashtag your name. Then when you do hashtag your name, do hashtag things that relates to you. All right? Is that clear? I hope it's clear so far. Okay? Simple, beautiful thing that you just got to understand. All right? You just got to understand it. Okay? Branded hashtags. Okay? Please stop using mumu hashtags. Hashtag we will chop yam today. Hashtag chopping twi. All those mumu hashtag, please don't use them. Hashtag I am going to eat rice this afternoon. Rubbish, all those kind of hashtags that when you use, you now get, you just have only one post in it. Don't use all those kind of hashtags. Don't waste hashtags. Okay? If you're going to do branded hashtags, do 3, 4. Stop. The other ones should be regular hashtags that people can search for you and find you. Okay? Yes. Okay? Now, we have talked of community hashtags. Community hashtags are hashtags that discuss, that are general. Okay? That are general, as in regular discussions. Like today is Wednesday. Your hashtag WCW, hashtag Woman Crush Wednesday, hashtag Women Crush Wednesday. Those are all community hashtags. Community hashtag that has, several people on it, several posts on it, several people discussing and talking about it. Busy hashtags, all right? They are called community or super hashtags, okay? They are super, as in big. You have millions of posts under them, okay? Those are community hashtags. Hashtag MCM, hashtag Man Crush Monday, okay? Which other one? Hashtag throwback. Yes, Ife Oluwa Shokpeju, awesome, man. Brand editing specialist, great. Okay, Creo Hub Designs, awesome. CHD, we are CHD business, awesome. Now, CHD, Creo Hub Designs, those are all branded hashtags. Okay, those are all branded hashtags. CHD, we are CHD, and Creo Hub Designs, those are all branded hashtags. Okay, brand identity specialist. Okay, now I'm thinking brand identity probably would have stopped there. They probably broken it down again to say, okay, maybe a brand specialist or identity specialist. Okay, that would have been my advice for brand identity specialist. Okay, now brand identity specialist, I don't know how many posts you have under it. So, but it's also something that is good. Now, if you're support your personal hashtag, great. Okay. Now, are you guys seeing what the guy is posting on Facebook? He's posting some great hashtags on Facebook. Okay. Now, B Scrooby, welcome to the social media SWAT Show. Okay. Now, when you use your popular hashtags, your super popular hashtags, your community hashtags, you can use, 4, 5, 6 of them. Okay. They give you that extra exposure, okay, because they are very busy. Usually people just come on it and people just see your post, so there's this your post just performs very well the minute you post it, probably because of this super busy, super full and heavy or super concentrated, plenty post in hashtag. All right, good. Now you can use 4, 5, 6 of them. Okay, now you need to also have like moderate hashtags. Moderate hashtags are hashtags that are not as heavy as those ones that are in their 20 million, 30 million, 40 million, 50 million. All those Instagram, hashtag Instagram, millions and millions and millions of posts. Okay, those ones are your super. Now your moderate will be like those that are, single figures, maybe like 10 million, like 10 million, maybe like 5 million, maybe like 1 million. Okay, those are your moderate hashtags. Okay, these are your moderate hashtags. They're not so heavy like those very heavy ones. Those are your moderate hashtags. Okay, so find your moderate hashtags too. Okay, 10 million, 1 million, less than a million around. Those are your moderate hashtags. So you want to also get your moderate hashtags. Okay, now your moderate hashtags will be your super popular hashtags are more widespread. Okay, Man Crush Monday, Woman Crush Wednesday, Throwback Thursday. They are more widespread, and they can include several other things. Several things, brand might not even concern your brand. Just several crazy things. Now, the moderate hashtags, okay, that are 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 5 million, maybe about. Some of them are not up to 10 million, but maybe around that. Some might be up to 10 million. Those ones, okay, usually are more niche related. We will stick with you through it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Those ones are usually more niche related. So let's say your niche is beauty, for example. Okay, let's say beauty, you're a beauty specialist or you're a brand identity specialist. Okay, now those kind of hashtags usually have smaller numbers, 10 million, maybe. All right, 1 million sometimes. Okay, sometimes it could be less than a million. All right, so go and do a little bit of research. Find your moderate hashtags that are that are niche related, that are related to your industry. Okay, you also want to use those ones. Okay, and you want to use more of that. You want to use maybe 7 to 8, maybe up to 10 of those ones. Do you get what I'm saying? Okay, now while we are using all those ones, you will now break down and go very specific. Very specific hashtags could be in the thousands, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000.